My name is Chhanpoh, General Secretary of Tangkhul Naga Literary and Cultural Committee, and we came from the Myanmar, and we are the East Tangkhuls based in Myanmar. Here, after coming here, we feel like a homely home. This is our place, and we enjoy seeing our brothers out here and getting to know each other, exchanging our culture, our songs, and everything. And here we love so much. This is our land, and this is our place, and we feel like homely.
Okay. How was your journey from your place to here?
It was very difficult. More than 10 hours it took us to reach here. But though we had a lot of difficulties to come here, we are not. After reaching here, difficulties and tiredness all are gone, because we have reached the place where we want to reach, and we are meeting the persons whom we are waiting to meet.
Okay. Do you feel that more of this kind of connection with Indian side is needed to feel, that brotherhood?
Yep, definitely. We look forward to seeing a lot of many conferences, many forums, and many other things to happen like this, because that make us intimacy, and that made us very close with each other. So, most of the time, whenever they invite us, we try to attend. And the next year we have the Golden Jubilee. There we have planned to invite all the CEOs, like TKS General Conference and the Conference, and all we are going to invite them. We invite the media, journalists, because we want the world. We want let the world to know that this is what we are, and this is our brotherhood. This is the way we have to prove ourselves and make ourselves to let the world know.
Whether the peoples of Myanmar are able to speak the Tangkhul language or not?
Yeah, some of us, because often we come to Ukhrul and we buy the things, everything there. Whatever we made, the handicraft or in the local meat, we used to come and sell in Ukhrul only. Because if we don't come to Ukhrul, except the Ukhrul, we don't have the other place. Like in Nagaland also we used to go, but not much the goods and handicrafts are sold up there. But here's the most. This is what.
What are the major issues facing the community there?
See, the people, not all, but with the person who do not know the test of the friendship and test of the value of the culture and identity, they are not interested in these things. But the people who love our people, Naga, our history, they do the things like that. But we have the difficulty because we have to teach everything. Or somehow I have been in India for 9.5 years, that I came to learn everything and how to value the culture and how to how to associate with others and extra. But who are not go beyond the village or beyond the Myanmar, they don't know much value of this culture, identity and friendship between like this with the other different countries.
One message in Tangkhul, if you can speak, yeah. Message to Tangkhul community from Myanmar side there.
Hikta event likraji simpalagi nondala hikta lika itum normaka you hibni lagi shungi avuram aka shingbai normda ogis house the hili India liklepi tangunopi khangai nishe